stop swallowing handfuls of pills that just upset your stomach. This liquid mineral works 10 times faster, especially if your legs twitch uncontrollably at night, or if you wake up feeling stiff as a board. It is the old doctor's secret. Just magnesium oil applied to the skin. Here are the exact 5 spots to drop it on for relief in 24 hours, starting right now. Spot number 1, the soles of the feet. We start at the bottom because this is the gateway to deep sleep. If you stare at the ceiling for hours, or if sudden leg cramps make you want to scream in the middle of the night, your body is screaming for magnesium. Most people over 60 are critically deficient in this master mineral. The hard truth is that as we age, our stomach acid becomes weaker. You swallow a pill and it passes right through you, offering almost no benefit. That is why the feet are the secret. Your feet are often called the second heart of the body. The skin on the soles of your feet has the largest pores on your entire body and contains no oil glands to block absorption. It is a direct highway into your system. When you apply magnesium oil here, it bypasses your digestive system entirely and enters your bloodstream within minutes. Let me tell you about Robert, a 72-year-old gardener. Robert used to toss and turn every single night. His legs would jerk the moment he drifted off. He was exhausted and in pain. On the first night he tried this, he followed the instructions perfectly. He sprayed 3 pumps on the bottom of each foot. He massaged it into the arch and the heel for 60 seconds, put on a pair of warm cotton socks, and went to bed. For the first time in a decade, Robert slept through the night. No kicking, no cramping, just deep, restorative silence. Here is the science. Magnesium is nature's muscle relaxant. It pushes calcium out of the muscle fibers. Think of calcium as the on switch that makes muscles contract, and magnesium as the off switch that makes them relax. When applied to the soles of the feet, this relaxation signal travels up the legs and calms the entire central nervous system. A quick warning. The first time you use this, you might feel a tingling or itching sensation. Do not panic. This is called the magnesium itch. It is actually a good sign. It means your body is severely deficient and is soaking up the mineral like a dry sponge. This sensation will fade after a few minutes and disappear completely after a few days of use. But while the feet help you sleep, the next spot is the secret to moving freely again. Spot number 2, the popliteal fossa, or behind the knees. If your knees feel like rusty hinges grinding together, or if you have swelling that makes walking downstairs a nightmare, this spot is for you. When patients tell me they have knee pain, they usually show me the expensive creams they are rubbing right on their kneecaps. I have to tell them, stop wasting your money. The kneecap is a thick bone. Nothing absorbs through it. The secret is the soft hollow behind the knee. The skin here is incredibly thin, but more importantly, it is a major hub for your lymphatic system. Arthritis and joint pain are often caused by stagnant fluid trapped around the joint. That pressure causes stiffness. Magnesium oil is a powerful anti-inflammatory. When you apply it to this specific spot behind the knee, it absorbs directly into the lymphatic vessels. It acts like a magnet, helping to drain that excess fluid and relax the tight tendons pulling on the joint. To use it correctly, do not just slap it on. Sit comfortably with your leg relaxed. Spray 4 pumps into your palm, not directly on the leg. Rub your hands together to warm the oil. Cold oil causes muscles to tense up, which is the opposite of what we want. Gently massage the back of your knee. And here is the golden rule. Always massage upward toward the heart. We want to encourage the stagnant fluid to leave the knee and move back into circulation. Robert noticed the difference here too. His morning stiffness, which usually took an hour to loosen up, was gone in 10 minutes after using this method. He described it as oiling the Tin Man. However, moving well is impossible if your stomach is in knots. This brings us to the center of your body. Spot number 3, the navel and abdomen. As we age, digestion slows down. Constipation, bloating, and a heavy feeling after meals become the new normal. But this spot is also the control center for your anxiety. Your gut is lined with millions of neurons and communicates directly with your brain through the vagus nerve. When magnesium levels drop, your gut muscles seize up, leading to irregularity, and your nervous system stays in fight or flight mode, causing low-level anxiety. Applying magnesium oil here hits two birds with one stone. First, magnesium attracts water. When it absorbs through the thin skin of your belly, it gently pulls moisture into the intestines. This hydrates the colon and softens the stool naturally. Unlike harsh laxatives that force your body to react with cramping, magnesium simply allows your body to function as it did when you were younger. Second, it soothes the vagus nerve. Try this routine. Lay down in bed, spray 5 pumps of magnesium oil around your belly button. Using the flat of your palm, rub the oil in a clockwise motion for 2 minutes. Why clockwise? Because that is the direction your colon moves. You are mechanically encouraging digestion while the magnesium chemically relaxes the cramping muscles. Many seniors report that this simple ritual calms their racing mind better than sleep aids. They wake up with a flat stomach, regular digestion, and a feeling of lightness. By the way, quality matters. You need pure magnesium chloride oil, not a synthetic version full of preservatives. If you do not have a bottle in your medicine cabinet, I have found a high-quality, trusted source on Amazon and placed the link in the description below for you. Now, let's move up to the source of the tension that ruins your day. Spot number 4, the base of the neck and shoulders. How many times have you touched the back of your neck and it felt as hard as a rock? We carry the weight of the world here. This area is where stress accumulates. When these muscles are tight, they clamp down on the blood vessels that supply your head. This restricts blood flow, leading to tension headaches, migraines, and even elevating your blood pressure. Magnesium acts as a powerful vasodilator. This means it relaxes the walls of your blood vessels, allowing them to open up and let blood flow freely without resistance. If you feel a headache coming on, do not reach for a pill. Apply magnesium oil to the coat hanger area, that muscular triangle between the neck and the shoulder. Spray the oil on your fingertips. Find the base of your skull, right where the neck muscles attach to the head. Massage in small, firm circles, working your way down the neck and out to the shoulders. You can literally feel the muscles melting under your fingers. It feels like a hot towel is being wrapped around your neck. As the tension releases, the headache fades because the blood flow to your brain is restored. You will think clearer and feel a sense of calm wash over you. But there is one final spot. This is the most important one for those of you who feel tired even after a full night's sleep. Spot number 5, the lower back and kidneys. Chronic fatigue is an epidemic among seniors. You wake up tired, drag yourself through the day, and crash in the evening. You have no energy for the things you love. Often, this is a sign of adrenal fatigue. Your adrenal glands sit right on top of your kidneys, located in your lower back. These tiny glands are the battery packs of your body. They produce the energy hormones that get you through the day. But here is the catch. They run on magnesium. Every time you get stressed or drink coffee, your body burns through magnesium. Most seniors are running on empty. Their battery packs are dead. Applying magnesium oil to the lower back acts like a jumpstart cable for these vital glands. It provides the raw materials they need to function without overstimulating them like caffeine does. This was the final piece of the puzzle for Robert. After fixing his sleep and his knees, he started applying the oil across his lower back every evening. He rubbed it right over the kidney area, just above the hips on either side of the spine. The result was unexpected. It didn't keep him awake. It actually helped him achieve a deeper sleep. But the miracle happened the next morning. He woke up with a clear head. The brain fog was gone. He had a spring in his step that he hadn't felt in 20 years. He was back in his garden, digging and planting with energy that surprised his own family. Tonight, apply this oil to your painful spots after a warm shower to wake up feeling lighter and truly rested. If you're ready to reclaim your active life, hit like and subscribe for more natural secrets.